See you later, honey. I've got to get going.
Are you taking the car?
Yes?
Can you drop Caillou off at Clementine's?
Oh, no.
Who's going to take me to Clementine's house?
Shut up!
You and I are going to take the subway to go to Clementine.
No!
Hold on to Mommy's hand when we go down the escalator. Okay, Caillou?
Caillou liked the escalator. It did all the moving. All they had to do was just...
Ready? Jump!
Oh. Mommy, can I do that too? Can I have some money, please?
No.
One stop. I want to sit there.
Caillou, you have to...
Shut up!
Look at me, Mommy. Look at me. Look at me, Mommy. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Two stops.
Elephant green screen effect.